Hey guys, this is me Kuber and today we're gonna make an FPS game on Unity. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to assign a new gun in Unity. So let's get started. And so which gun should we really assign? Like if if you have played the Code Monkey awesome FPS game, he added a gun named as Rocket Launcher. I don't know if you have noticed or not, but he made the rocket launcher using this pickup blaster or weapon blaster skeleton. So we will also make that rocket launcher. We will try to. So let's get started here. First, in weapons, I will delete this rocket launcher and I will just duplicate this weapon blaster. We're gonna modify it. Totally modify it. Weapon rocket launcher. Okay. So first we'll put the name here. Double click it to open the prefab, and here we can edit it. So here we will just if you saw in his rocket launcher there were no containers. So let's check, can we delete? Yes, we can delete containers. Oh wait, he added red color in there. So aha. um, Mod assets, materials, custom materials. Yep. Oops, not here, but inside the cylinder. Where is that VFX gun cylinder? Okay. Yes. So here we delete this gun cylinder and let's see. No, it is not red. No props. We can make our own gun, but with another color, like only green or something. So here, container deleted, and this one too. So now we have all containers deleted. The VFX are already there. We will not delete them. And here it's muzzles. So here we will just maximize them. Okay. Why can't I? Oh, yeah. So in scale, we will try to make them more. No, so not from here. Let's make this one and no. In this last dialog box. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now we will also add color. So here, let's see if we can make a material. Create material. New material. Albedo. Huh. Okay. So we can change it here. Okay. So I guess we will add this in albedo. Let's see. Blue color. Nah, it's not that much good. We'll take another one. Which one we can take? Uh-huh, uh-huh. Projector. No, this is already there. Oh, so we can do that. Okay, so we need this real green. It's fully reddish. It's like a magnetic gun. But we cannot make it piston socket. Huh, what is this piston socket? Okay, now if we have to clear it, the whole metal silver, no. No, so we will leave it alone and we will check for new materials like art materials, steel materials. Well, we'll again go in FPS, art, materials, weapons, pistol, weapon, shotgun is here. Wow, it really looks good. Let's see more VFX. Ooh, nah, this one looks ghostly. Well, this one? Never ever. Okay, so we'll keep it like this and then we'll save it. So guys, I've already made my own game and I've also published it in unityplay.com. Its name is Unknown Hero and I just published it yesterday. So you can go and check how my game is. If you like my game, give it a like and also subscribe my channel. So here I have made one more level and if you want to see my guns, here they are. FPS, prefabs and weapons. Here are all my guns. Ooh, I will name this one as magnetic wave projector. Because of its muzzles are colored with blue and red, so they are kind of similar to magnet. So here now we will create a pickup and we will also add a new projectile if you want. So here in projectiles we will create one. So this is the turret projectile. We'll just duplicate it. Projectile turret. Yeah. So here we have it. Magnetic wave. Okay. So here double click it and if we want to look like magnetic wave, we will need one thing. We can add it like this disc-like structure. Yep, we'll probably add a disc. Yep, now it's good. Now, one thing we need to do with that disc is just make it like it should look like a wave. Total magnetic wave. Oh, this disc is circular or oval shaped? Well, so here, let's see if we can change its shape. Uh-huh. So that means it should look hologramic, huh? Well, no problem to me. So here again in surface tile model pack materials, hologram, and here we have it. See, it totally looks like a hologram and a magnetic wave. So here it's ready, and VFX disk range, explosion, and all. So we've got it ready, and now the only thing we need to do is add this projectile in our project. So here our gun, let's find our gun. It's not pickups, weapons. Here we have our gun, and in projectiles, projectile blaster, here we will give it as the projectile we made. Projectile magnetic wave. So guys, here if we want we can also change its crosshair. I will keep it as angle. Okay, that's fine to me. If you want you can also keep another one. Angle. So its crosshair size should be 60, no 50, and here its crosshair size when data is in target should be 70. Okay, so now we have it. So first we will check for the gun muzzle. We'll keep it here. Yeah. Now it's pretty good enough. Now we will add the pickup. So in pickups, we will duplicate this pickup blaster. And guys, we can also add 3D models from outside as guns. So here we will keep it as magnetic it should not be magnet. Just wait a second guys. Yeah, so magnetic wave projector. It's really case sensitive, so we need to add this correct spelling. That's why I checked. So here, pickup, we will name it as magnetic wave projector. Yeah. Now, double click to open its prefab. Change this weapon blaster, and in weapons, add magnetic wave projector. And yes, don't forget in this pickup to change this weapon prefab, or else it will not let us pick the weapon. Here we have it. Now let's try our newest weapon. Here this is my second level. So we'll just take it a bit up. Yeah. And here in pickups, I'm going to show you all of my guns. Pickup sniper rifle I made. Then this hyper beam projector. This one fireballer, it's still in progress. Pickup carbine. This pickup carbine was my first gun I crafted. So and some guns I have added as loot. So you can also take those. Weapon launcher. weapon shotgun. And guys, if you want a real sniper rifle from Unity, you need to publish one of your FPS games on unityplay.com. So they will give you a sniper rifle in your asset store. Here in add-ons there will be a, yeah. So I have give it a new color. So here we will start. And guys, in my next episode I am also going to tell you how to make a boss for each of level, for each and every level. So here, can you see all those guns? We'll pick them all. I think you cannot hear it because of my Windows screen share recorder. Where is our new gun? Wait, where is our new gun? Okay, that means new gun is not here. So we will, oh yes, we forgot to add our new gun. So here in assets, FPS, pick up magnetic wave launcher, I mean projector. So here the game will start now. Hope nothing goes wrong. Okay, so can you see the our gun moving? We'll pick it up. Yeah. Now I will show you all my guns. Here the lights are working too. And here I will show you guns. The three guns which are commonly in this FPS micro game are shotgun, the launcher, and the normal gun. This sniper rifle they give after we publish our FPS project. So let's check for our new gun. Yeah, it's perfect. See, it's wow, it's really looking like a magnetic wave. See, they cannot see that. So there they will keep that. Where's that jetpack? Oh, here I have added some boss guardians too. So I will also show you how to make the boss and the boss guardians. Ah, can you see? There's nothing but whenever I add the hologram material, it's showing. Oh. Here we have the boss. So I will show you my another new guns. Here, this is my another gun. I just added more ammo. Oh. So guys, thank you for watching my video. In next video, I will also tell you how to make the boss. Thank you.